How to remove times from calendar titles on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Calendar Settings, scroll down and you will see remove times from titles is here. If you want to remove time from calendar titles, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see remove times from title is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove times from calendar titles on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.